Hey guys, it's been a minute. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to launder your wigs, how to wash, treat your wigs, right? So as you can see here, I'm just brushing the wig. I'm starting from the tip to the roots. Make sure you brush very well, detangle properly, and make sure you use a detangler brush or this brush I'm using right here, because it really help to avoid shedding. And if you don't want the hair to shed, you make sure that you start from the tip to the root, okay, the tip of your hair to the root of your hair, and make sure you hold the hair at the neck region. Focus on the neck part of the of the wig, that part that sweat gets too easily, that it gets very tangled. So you go ahead and use any shampoo of your choice. You can use Tresemme, you can use any shampoo that is good enough that you can use on your hair. Now if the hair is so dirty, you can decide to, now there are two major methods you can use to wash your hair. You can use lukewarm water, very lukewarm, that you can put your wigs inside and soak it, or you can just do it the way I'm doing with cold water and wash. Maybe you don't have time, you can do this method. But if you want to soak your hair in hot warm water, lukewarm water, you actually see the effect. But yeah, that's it. I just washed the wig and I went like about 3 to 4 times because the hair was really dirty. And the same thing applies to the rinsing. You want to make sure that all the product is out of the hair. You rinse properly, rinse like 4 to 5 times. Make sure that the water is clear. If the water is not clean, then the hair is not ready. Make sure you rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse. Change the water, rinse again, change the water. You can see I'm like my student is pouring another water. Now this is the major reason for this video. I'm using tea tree cholesterol. This is the protein treatment. You want to use tea tree cholesterol as I'm showing you right now. And then this is the old one I made. I like to make my own in bulk because I use it for my clients hair. But you can use this. Get this tea tree cholesterol, get shampoo, conditioner, trust me, conditioner. As you can see, you put in, I try to use measuring cup because it just helps me to track what I the amount I use for each hair. So use the measuring cup, and then don't mind me, then going with your hair mayonnaise. Make sure you put like, if again it's to your preference. So to be honest, whatever you want to do, this is just freehand, but I use measuring cup. As you can see, I use like 1.5 of olive oil hair mayonnaise. Now you can buy any brand of hair mayonnaise, okay? Now the reason why I put this 3 minutes Aussie conditioner is because the hair I'm working with at the time was very terrible. So if the hair is not as bad as, maybe it's not so bad, you can just use your silicone mix and your conditioner. You don't need to use all of these products. You don't need to put keratin. That's keratin milk I just showed you. But you can pause this video to like get every single product I use. I'll also be putting it in the description box just in case you don't know the right products to use. You can also get it from my Amazon front. Yeah, you can get all of these products there. So I will link it in my description box, and yeah, you're good to go. Well, this is me just adding all the edibles into this mixture, and then you will see the effect. I went ahead and gave it a good mix, and make sure everything is mixed properly, and then I started to apply it on the wigs. But yeah, just mix. Okay, make sure you mix it very well. So my treatment is ready. I'm about to apply it. You can see I went ahead and just brushed out the rough edges to make sure that I put the treatment properly on the wig. And yeah, this treatment is live. Once you apply it on your hair, you will instantly see the like some changes on the wig. That's how good this product mixture is. You absolutely love it, I promise you. And yeah, that's basically it. Just make sure you see the neck part of that, the part I'm putting in right now, the treatment right now. That part is very important because that's where sweat touches. That's the nape of the wig. That's where sweat touches, and it tangles a lot. So you want to focus on that part. And then I use this my detangler brush to evenly distribute everywhere on the hair. Make sure that every strand has the treatment so that one part will not be looking like it's treated and the other part is looking not treated. You want to make sure you evenly distribute. One of the things I forgot to record is after I applied this product, usually I'll use a heat cap, tie the hair in maybe a nylon bag or Ziploc bag, and put it in the heat cap. But if you don't have heat cap, I'm giving you other methods. Maybe you are on a budget. If you don't have heat cap, you can just go ahead and put your hair in a Ziploc bag or a nylon bag. Just tie it, boil hot water, and put the tied hair, the hair inside the nylon rather. Put it inside the hot water and cover it. Allow the heat to do the magic. You can leave it for, usually I leave it, I tie, sometimes I tie my hair and just leave it for a day. But if you are in a hurry and you can't wait, you can just use the hot water method. Tie your hair in nylon, leave it for an hour or two. Make sure the heat has really entered into the hair before you wash your hair properly. Again, the water has to be clear. Wash all the treatment out, because if you don't wash your hair properly, your hair will be stiff. It will work, your hair will look nice, but it won't be fluffy, it won't flow. I think there's a video of me doing that. Yeah, but this is the end result. You can see the before and after picture. Once you allow your hair dry, you can now style as appropriate. But make sure to turn on your notifications so that anytime I drop a new video, you get to see it first. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.